You might get asked, does an equation have 0, 1, or infinite solutions? Well, if it's got 0 solutions, you'll work out the equation to something weird like 4 equals 3. If there's one solution, you'll get the variable equals some number. And if there's infinite solutions, you'll get something like the variable equals itself or a number equals itself. Then x can be anything. So let's try a couple of these and get a little practice with this. So if we have an equation like 3x plus 3 equals 12. Well, first, let's subtract 3 from both sides to get 3x equals 9. Let's divide the 3 from both sides to get x equals 3. So now that we've isolated x, we can see that x has a value, so there is one solution. Let's try another one. We had 12m plus 3 equals 3m, 3 times m plus 1 in brackets. So let's use the distributive property to get 12m plus 3 equals 3 times m plus 3 times 1. Now doing the same thing to both sides, let's subtract 3 from both sides. So we've got 12m equals 3m. And both 12 and 3 divide cleanly by 3, so let's do that. We've got 4m equals m. Now this doesn't really make sense, does it? Because how does a number equal 4 times itself? If we divide both sides by m, we'd have 4 equals 1. So we have 0 solutions. And let's try just one more example here. Let's do 5k equals 2k plus 3k. So now let's group our like terms. 2k plus 3k will equal 5k. So we have 5k equals 5k. So this should be obvious here, but let's still divide by 5 anyway. And we have k equals k. So we have infinite solutions. Now I want to mention to you guys, the example I gave you for 0 solutions, I made a mistake because there is one solution to 4m equals m, and that is m equals 0. So if you had something like 4 plus m equals m, now then maybe things could be a little bit different, but the example I gave you, bad example, good example of everybody makes mistakes, including Mr. Evans, and dare I say, maybe even now and then you might catch Mr. Wiley making a mistake too. Keep an eye for that though.